Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I was going through my collection and I have a lot of high-end products, but the drugstore products I love. And in today's video, I wanted to do a full face of drugstore makeup using the drugstore products that I love and I adore. So without further ado, let's get into it. I want to zoom you guys just a tad bit. The first product I'm going to use is my Wet n Wild Impossible Primer Base. I love this product because it really truly blurs. I don't know if it helps with the longevity of my makeup. I'm not a big primer person. I usually just apply my skincare and apply my makeup, and then I use a setting spray. I feel like setting sprays work better for me. But this primer is a very pore blurring primer, and I truly adore this product. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and just apply it onto the center of my face where my pores are more apparent, and just distribute the rest of the product to my face. For my base, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. This is probably one of the dewiest foundations that I have. This is actually a tinted moisturizer. And I'm just taking a little bit of this on the back of my hand. I love the dewy finish that this product has. The only thing with this product is that the shade range kind of sucks. Like if you have a deeper skin tone, I don't think that you'll be able to find your shade. I'm going to distribute that with my beauty blender, my dampened beauty blender. This doesn't have a lot of coverage, but it definitely hides my imperfections, as you can see here. Yeah, this has a very nice, it's not so much dewy, but I think it has a natural finish. And as the day goes on, it stays put. Like it doesn't move around, which I like. For my concealer, I'm going to use my NYX Bear With Me concealer. A little bit of this concealer goes a long, long way. So I'm just going to apply a little bit like that. I used to be such an eyeshadow, eye makeup, eye everything person, but I feel like in the last couple of years, I've been appreciating good base products more and more. And in the past year and a half, I haven't been purchasing a lot of makeup because I've been really obsessed with skincare products. So I've been purchasing skincare products. I actually am doing a series where I talk about and review not all, but my favorite skincare products that really worked out for me. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. Let's do the brows. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Brow Kit. And I'm going to take a MAC 208S. And I'm pretty much going to be working with this color, this middle shade. And some of the dark shade as well. I'm not very big on brow products because I usually just use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel, and that's basically all I do for my brows. And I don't think that you need a really expensive brow product to make things work. Especially if you have, brows like me that are non-existent. I don't have a lot of brows. I feel like when I fill them in too much, if it looks really fake. So I like a natural brow look. But this product is pretty good. I like it. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using my beloved Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the original shade. I've been falling back in love with this bronzer shade, and the formula is also great. It lasts long. And look at this natural look. This side is unapplied, and this side is applied. It looks super natural. The tone of the bronzer is very neutral, and it suits my skin tone really well, I think. Before I apply my blush, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petals. This has kind of a peachy, but more like a champagne color. And depending on how much you apply and how you apply it, you can get a very intense look, or you can just get a very diffused look. And today I'm just going to opt for a diffused look. So I took just a little bit of it and just applying it on my cheek. And for my blush, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Cheek and Heat Gel Cream Blush. This is in the shade 15 Nude Burn. Just gonna take a little bit of this on the back of my hand, just this much. And then I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend this out. Actually, I'm gonna just use my fingers to blend this out. I feel like that's the best. Sometimes when I use a brush or a beauty blender, sometimes it's patchy. I don't know if you can see this, but ugh. Damn it, I loved my base. I haven't used this blush in a while. Maybe it's gone bad, or I'm not too sure, but it's looking a little patchy. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add powder blush after this on top of it to fix things. Yeah, it's looking patchy. I don't like it. Now to fix things, I'm gonna use my Essence The Blush. This is in the shade, let's see, Be Fitting. This is a very nice nudie pink color. This is a color that suits pretty much every eye look, I feel. And we're just gonna fix this patchiness that's going on. Okay, I think that's much better. I like to apply my highlighter right after my bronzer and then apply my blush, because I feel like no matter what highlighter I use, like it could be the most natural looking highlighter, but it still like leaves a little bit of a white cast, you know? So what I found useful is to apply my bronzer, my highlighter, and then my blush on top of my highlighter. That way it just looks more natural, you know? Okay, I think I applied a little bit of a too much blush, so I'm just gonna fix that with my sponge. Okay, all good. Let's set the center of my face with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder. You get your powder here, and then you have your mirror and this little sponge, which is nice. I don't usually use the sponge. I just use my Real Techniques powder brush. and set the center of my face. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna do something simple but with a little bit of a pop of color. So for my crease color, I'm gonna take my bronzer with my MAC 286S. And for my lower lash line, I'm taking my Real Techniques, what is this? 301 brush, and I'm gonna take my bronzer again and just apply this to my lower lash line. When I was going through my eyeliners, I found this purple eyeliner that I like by L'Oreal. This is in the shade, what is the shade? It doesn't say the shade, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's a super nice color. So I'm gonna add that to my upper lash line. And then with my Sigma E65, I'm just gonna blend that out. Let's do another layer. And that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for the eyes. I'm gonna repeat that on this eye. For my mascara, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is just a reliable, very nice, very nice drugstore mascara. I don't think that you have to spend a lot of money for mascaras. Although I am kind of blessed with longer lashes, rather longer lashes, but still, there's tons of drugstore mascaras that are like high-end. My cat usually sleeps during this time, but she's very active in the room and playing with her little bowl. So if you can hear her, or my nieces that are right outside my door and also playing, I apologize. And that's basically it for the eyes, you guys. Let's move on to the lips. For my lip liner, I'm going to use my NYX Nude Beige. Yep, this color is really nice, really neutral. It goes really well with my pink undertone lips. I'm going to use a lip gloss next, so what I'm doing is basically just filling out my lips with this pencil. For my lip gloss, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Love Language. This is a very nice peachy lip gloss, and I think it'll go well with the blush. Okay, this is the final look. Let's zoom you guys just a little bit more. Okay, I'm actually loving the base today. And this blush from Essence is super nice. Alright, you guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do a full face of drugstore makeup using all of my favorite drugstore products. Let me know if you like this kind of content. And please do let me know what your drugstore favorite products are. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!